Hello mensen, goodbye people. Right. Hello mensen, good day people. Now, yes, it's temperature is now 34 degrees Celsius. It's 93 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, but the wind comes from the right direction, so this looks promising for us. Yeah. A week ago, we also had some bit of rain. As you can see there from the east, something is happening. So we hope for the best because it's dry again. A little desert, a little Karoo, and there you can also see that looks promising, like beloved. Right. Now I'm busy with these kind of stuff. The thyroid ends of that pickup. So before December, I took the cylinder head in for fixing up, welding and whatever. En die silinderkop geneem vir opswys al die Karoo rosie gate, all the corrosion holes in the cylinder head, welding up. So I must still phone them and ask them what they've done to it and when they're going to be finished with it and so on. Because today is the, let me see, it's Tuesday, the 16th, 16th, net seker maak. The 17th of Tuesday, the 17th of February the 17th, 2026. So it was last year, the 20th, sometime before Christmas, that I taken the cylinder head in for them to weld it up and whatever. So what they have done to the cylinder head, I don't know. I just hope they didn't mess it up completely. Ek hoop nie hulle het die silinderkop totaal opgevoeter nie. So let's see. Phone them later on. Okay, now I'm busy with a little locking plate. There you see a locking plate. Daar moet 'n plaatjie kom, 'n slit plaatjie vir die boutjie. Nie losdraai nie, so that it doesn't come loose. So yeah, this is what I'm doing with it. There is the plate in the vise. Zoom in a little bit closer. Now I also went in to let them get to have a look at the motor. En hulle moet kyk na die motor. There's a motor, because this motor is a disaster. And this is my first drill I bought in COVID time. COVID tyd, hulle het die boormasjien gekoop met deze motor. As die motor se basis opgeblaas, het bent die brushes uit. Okay. Die een gekoop. So let's see what it does. So drill the pilot hole. There's a wat dit klein gaatjie boor, 'n begin gaatjie van die vir die plaatjie. that's done with a drill bit. I don't know if you can see, but it has a special cutting on it. It is sekere punt op die boorbit. Kyk daar, sien? It's a heel duur boorpunt hierdie. It's very expensive. Now this is a 12 millimeter, but this is a normal drill bit. So just get that back into there. Right. Then I must, because now it's making a three, was it a triangle hole, as a driehoek gaatjie wat hy maak, so ek moet nou 'n ander bit kry. So I must get another bit, so ek moet 'n ander bit kry. Hierdie is 'n stip drill bit, so 'n trappie ding is 'n type boor, maar dis 'n rubbish ene, hou net 'n rukkie. They only last a while. It doesn't last long. Hulle hou nie lank nie. Alright, let's see. It must go to the number 12 over there. As you can see, number 14 is already done. And 16 is done and 18 is also done. It doesn't work. So it's still working up to 12. So let's get it. It's almost there. Right, that's done. 12 millimeter hole. Right, where's the bolt? Bolt is still in what you call in the tie rod. Uithaal hier uit die tie rod uit. Take it out of the tie rod. Okay, there's one over there. One in is klaar uit. That fits nicely. So now I must cut it all out. Uitknip. En knip hem hier. Zo. En dan gaan we daar kant. Goed. And then drop it there by my scrap metal. Get my plates and stuff, steel from. Goed. Nou ek moet die kraine skrik maak hier. Give it a fright with a grinder. Alright. Give it a fright with the grinder. Just to take the burr off it, net om die burring af te kry. Okay, so nou moet ek kyk hoe dit pas daar. Ding daar. see how it fits here. A little bit too off. So must cut some more off here. Nog 'n bietjie meer afknip daar. Dink ek gaan dit afgrind. Cut it off, grind it off. It's not going to be good. It's going to be better. Okay. First check it. How far must I still go with it? Oh no. Still some more. Put it in that vise. Oh, better. And now I must check it quickly. Nou weer kyk. Nog 'n bietjie warm. A little bit hot. Goed, daar's die ding nou weer. Uitdag. Alright. The bolt must go in there. The thing I was looking for. Bolt. En ons kyk of dit nou werk. Nee, nog nie. Still not. See if it now fits. Almost. Amper. Bijna. Kom eens kijken nou. Let's have a look. The wind is blowing quite strong now. Okay, now it fits. Don't know if you can see in there, but now it fits. Nice. Right there. Good. And just clean this burring off. Die bur wat daar sit. Net afkry. that was the old plate, locking plate. Now this is a new one. There's also some bird there. Oh, no. Anyway, good. Alright, now I must go and put that thing to the pickup. Onto the pickup. Dan moet ek dit aan die bakkie sit. Reg. Wanneer ek gaan die ou bout vat. Take it down. Take that bolt out. And now I must first go and get some copper slip. So now I smeared some anti-seize, copper anti-seize, copper slip, whatever you want to call it, onto this bolt. So now put this, pull it over here. Mustn't take the slip off. Okay, now I'm going to put it in on the bucket. So now I must first rig the story up there before I continue with the recording. So I'll be putting it underneath the pickup, so that onder die bakkie sit. Dan kyk ons verder. Okay, I had to go and fetch the stick. This little tripod in die huis at home. So it's about 15 minutes later. Nog 15 minuten later. Okay, I hear some thunder now. We're no done weer. Okay, let's get on with the story. It's a little dark in here, so I don't know if you can see what's going on there. That's where the tie rod end must come on, and this is the connector inside. Okay, let's see. First, where is the bolt? Okay, there. I'm gonna put this thing. Very interesting. It doesn't want to fit onto this one. Yeah. I have to bend it up. So I'm going to oop bye a bietjie. Right. Bend it open a little bit. A bietjie oop bye, bend it a little bit. Okay. And now I must put this thing back onto the stick again. There is the stick. Okay. Now I'm at the vise. Okay, let's see how far I must bend it open. Let's see. Alright. Put that down there. I think this is the one that came off with it. So that's 30,5 millimeters. This thing must go wider open. Then it's working here. It's almost there. But let's put it the other way. Kan nie ander rigting nie, moet hierdie kant toe. Let's see. Okay, now it's way open. It sticks halfway. Let's see. Maybe I can bonk it in. Miskien kan ek hom inkap met 'n hamer. Hit it in with a hammer. Okay, right. Good. Now back to the other tripod. Terug naar die ander tripodjie daaronder. And die weer raak alles zwaarder. The thunder becomes more severe, noisier. Okay. Now I'm back underneath the werker. Nou weer onder die bakke. Die kop, wat ook al. Turn the well pump off. Die boor gaat pomp afgeskakel, want ek weet nie wat maak ek daarna weer met dit. I don't know what the thunder will do with the well pump, because the last time we blew the motor up, and the controller and everything. Het laatst alles opgevoed. Die weerlig, die controlebox en die motor opgevoed. Die boorgat, die pomp, wat noem dit? Waterpitpomp. Right. Pick up, get this thing in there. Okay, so I bend that thing a little bit. It's tight. Alright. Put the washer and the nut on the top. That doesn't work. I hope it took. I'm not going to drop out. Give it a bonk. Okay, now it's taken a little better. Alright, a little better, a bit better. Alright. nou gebeur? Now to get this thing to take thread. Is it taking thread? Not. I have to get something behind the inner socket to press on the bolt head. Op die boot se kop druk met 'n muur hier insit. Must put a nut in there to press the bolt in. Okay, so I must go and fetch a nut. 16 millimeter 5/8 nut, a 5/8 muur of a 16 millimeter muur. So, dit maak my die muur in. It's a bad word. And making me nuts is not a bad word. So nothing is happening. What the freaking hell. Stubborn with it. Okay, let's see. Is this one? Okay. Try it. Dis die, ons probeer dit maar so. So it came out, but the bastard doesn't want to go in. What is your matter? Okay. I'm going to ream this hole. Ek gaan hierdie ding ruim. Die gat 'n bietjie groter ruim nou. Met 'n reimer, met 'n riemer drill. Yep. With 'n riemer drill. Met 'n reimerboor. So. Kom ons gaan maar weer op daarna toe. let's go up there again to ream the thing. Okay. Het nie 'n 12 mm nie. Nie 'n 10. Ek het net 'n 10 reamer. Ek het nie 'n 12 nie. Okay. Then I have to ream it with a 12. That's all I can do. Ek maar met 'n ream met 'n 12. Good. Klein bietjie. Miskien eerste raf, maybe first gear. Hallo. Alright. Stop biting. Second gear. Tweede rad. Still biting a little bit. That's better. Goes in nicely. Come on now. Right. Now let's go back to the vehicle there. Nobody even stuff. Now the wind is blowing dust. But fortunately it's not an engine. It's not a motor. The dust and the stuff. Waar nou weer? Okay, wag, dit's net daai armpie kry. Daar's hy. Control on. Tie rod on. Rod. See if this bolt goes in now. Right. The locking plate must be like so. And now I must just turn this side up. I secure the nut. 17 millimeter spanner. I don't have the socket there now. Oh, and the grease is coming out. Splashing the grease out. Oh no, that's not good. That is a disaster. Now the whole thing is turning right around. have to put the jack underneath. Dis domkrag kry onder dit. First this story. Wrong way there. No. Put the nut back in. Come on out. Right. That's tight. Alright. That's completely tight. Helemaal vast. Nou die dan omdraaien hier. Bank het over. Take a better. En een beter hamer. Goed. Nou, I must get the jack for that. Goed, ek gaan nou die jack kry. Die domkrag gaan aangehou. 'n blok, houtblok. 'n wooden block as that one, same as that. And put it there. See that block there? Put one here and a jack to pump this up. So the jack is now underneath here and it's standing on the block, another block. Staan op 'n ander houtblok, dit kom die domkrag. Okay, so die domkrag hou net die ding op. Don't fall backwards and the mosquito is now around my ears. Mosquito is nou om my ore. Irritating. Irritasie. Mosquito. Okay, draai die ding vas hier so. Doen dit tight. That's it. It's tight. And I'm not going to adjust anything here. Ek gaan niks verstellings doen nie. Want my arms is even lang. My arm, my tie rod ends, arms, they are all the same length. So I don't have to adjust anything here. The nut of adjustment is underneath this rubber here. And one on the other side also, underneath the rubber there. So I'm not going to fiddle around there. Ek gaan nie daaraan krap nie. Goed, dit is nou dit om deze video amper. Daar is die splitpin. En deze ene is oud. Hy het 'n splitpin. Hy het nie 'n nylon lock nut nie. I don't have a nylon lock nut on this. On these old tie rod ends. So I must just put a split pin in there. Something like this. Bend it over. careful. If it slips, you're going to cut your finger. As hy gly dan gaan jy jou vingers seer maak. Right. En sny jou vinger. Goed. Nou is dit klaar hierso. Now this jack is filled with LMR, LRM, or whatever, but it's Saturn green oil, suspension oil in this jack. Saturn auto suspensie olie daar. Goed, nou dat is die weer oppak. Pack this all up. Get out underneath this vehicle onder hierdie bakkie uitkom. Zo. En maar hierdie terug sit op sy plek. Kom daar. By die ander. Dit is allemaal van deze olie. All of the same oil in it. What? HM oil. HM plus. Total. Okay. I also filled the shocks last time with a video on that white pickup, the front shocks with that same oil. Okay, so let's put this back into the stick there and say bye-bye from this video. Put the cap on. Not my overall jacket today because it's too hot. Bring it so it's a tie rod end video of the 404 pickup. Bakkie 404 se linker kant se stuurstang. So, tot ziens van deze video. Bye bye. Tot ziens van deze video. Bye bye from this video. Tie rod end for a 4 pickup. Bakkie 404 bakkie, stuurstang linkerkant ene.